The problem of PCOS is no fun. If the PCOS problem is coupled with thyroid, one can't explain the complications with words. If I tell the whole truth, it may scare you. And yet, truth must be told so that you can take preventive measures. Here is the truth. Health risks like strokes, heart failure, obesity, elevated blood pressure, elevated cholesterol, renal failure, liver failure, PCOS, elevated blood sugar, systemic candida, impaired carbohydrate metabolism, impaired fat metabolism are the precursors to diabetes. When you have more health problems and the treatments are not showing any improvement, it is the time to make a change. That is when you know it is time to solve your problems in a completely different way. That is exactly what we are about to learn in this video. So, have you been struggling with PCOS and thyroid problems? Many women with PCOS and thyroid don't conceive even after trying to conceive for years. They try Clomid or Letrozole without success due to premature ovarian failure. It means their ovary is not functioning properly and eggs are not maturing. In the absence of an egg, conception wouldn't take place. They feel like they never conceive. How to improve egg health easily? A regular use of multivitamins, antioxidants, and massage of your womb area improve oxygen and blood supply to your ovaries. These simple things will bring much needed changes in your body and restore your egg health. If you want to improve your egg health and conceive fast, there is a simple way that you can start today. Look, PCOS, thyroid, and diabetes are the cousins. If you are battling many endocrine diseases like PCOS and thyroid problems, you have to realize this. All the hormonal problems are the precondition to future life chronic diseases, including diabetes. The foods you eat, the lifestyle you live causing PCOS and thyroid. Eating junk food is the characteristic of modern lifestyle. So we are predominantly taking sugars and carbohydrates. Our intake of vegetables, fruits and proteins very limited. Excess intake of sugars and carbohydrates disturbing the hormonal balance and therefore it is affecting the endocrine system. PCOS and thyroid is a problem of a damaging endocrine system. It is therefore a wake-up call that something is going wrong in your body. If you can wake up and take corrective measures, you can fix this problem. The real cause of PCOS and thyroid. Are you sitting most of the time in your day? If you lead a sedentary lifestyle, you are prone to a disease called insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is a condition in which your pancreas not producing enough insulin or body cells resisting excess insulin. So insulin resistance is the root cause of PCOS and diabetes. What is the link between PCOS and thyroid? PCOS and thyroid are the glands which are part of your endocrine system. I explain this in simple terms. Your endocrine system regulates all your internal body functions through the secretion of hormones. If your endocrine system fails to work properly, it affects you. PCOS and thyroid are apparently two diseases, but their root problem is the same. As an analogy, they are two branches of the same tree. The root cause of these diseases is insulin resistance, chronic inflammation, and weakening immunity system. Because of this, both PCOS and thyroid share certain common symptoms and include anovulation, insulin resistance, high cholesterol levels, irregular or heavy periods, weight gain, hair loss, ovarian cysts, PCOS, and weight gain. What is the best treatment for PCOS and thyroid? The treatment for PCOS and thyroid is reducing insulin resistance, inflammation, and strengthening immunity. Mainstream doctors treat the symptoms and leave the disease. Modern medicine considers these two diseases are distinct and treat accordingly. They treat the symptoms and leave the root cause. That is why they tell you PCOS is not curable. You have to suffer for the rest of your life. More importantly, you have a risk of many other chronic diseases, as we have been discussing. Considering its risks, it is wise to address the root cause rather than the symptoms. Here, the root cause is insulin resistance, chronic inflammation, and weakening immunity system. So, obviously, the treatment should be to reduce insulin resistance, inflammation, and strengthening the immune system. Keeping these factors in mind, we have devised a 3-step treatment for PCOS and thyroid problem. The 3-step system to treat PCOS and thyroid and get pregnant. Step 1. Avoid the high glycemic index foods. Step 2. Eat plenty of non-starchy vegetables, fruits, and proteins. Step 3. Practice strength training and yoga. Step 1. Avoid the worst foods. We call it high glycemic index foods. Your problem is insulin resistance, chronic inflammation, weakening immune and hormone systems. So, any food that causes insulin resistance, aggravates inflammation, increases the blood sugar and adds fat to your body is the worst food. High glycemic index foods and refined carbohydrates are considered to be not good for PCOS and thyroid, as they are real culprits for your insulin resistance. So avoid high glycemic index foods, because high glycemic index foods spike blood sugar levels quickly. Most of the Western foods are high glycemic. Therefore, eating high glycemic foods is the root cause of all the top chronic diseases, including PCOS and thyroid. So, avoid the following high glycemic index foods: soft drinks, white bread, rice, potatoes, beer, cake, commercial cereals, refined carbohydrates. Step 2. Eat plenty of non-starchy vegetables, fruits, and proteins. The best foods for PCOS and thyroid problem are whole foods and which are not processed, such as non-starchy vegetables, herbs and leaves, whole rice, raw nuts, and seeds. These foods are highly nutritious and therefore nurture and support all your internal systems. Include these foods in your daily regimen so that you can cure PCOS and thyroid and enhance your fertility naturally. Step 3. Practice strength training and yoga. Excess eating of junk foods, that is sugar and carbohydrate rich foods, causes insulin resistance in your body. So you tend to put on weight. In order to lose weight, you start taking less food, and in this process you are losing your muscle tissue. The more you lose your muscle, the more insulin resistance your body cells develop. So, instead of reducing food intake, you have to do strength training exercises and yoga postures that will strengthen your muscle. All the yoga poses are not important for you. You need to practice specific yoga poses in order to enhance your fertility and restore reproductive health. Considering all the above facts, we have created the Fertility Yoga Plan program. The Fertility Yoga Plan helps you to get pregnancy even if you are failing, aged, and giving up. A unique Three-step system is created to fix your body, mind, and energy balance that rejuvenates your reproductive organs and makes your uterus ready for conception and a healthy full-term pregnancy. The fertility yoga plan is all about three yogic techniques. Three yogic techniques that change your life. Got 30 minutes a day? That's all you need to get pregnancy. New scientific studies confirm. If you don't want the risk of irreversible infertility, click the link given in the description and discover how you can conceive practicing three yogic techniques.